Hello team and family, this is Multiplying Integers Word Problems video number 2. Jose was playing an arcade game that cost 2 tokens per game. In 20 games, Jose won 3 times, gaining 10 tokens, 12 tokens, and 8 tokens. What is the change in the amount of tokens Jose has? So we're going to put down our problem solving process. We're going to start with a picture. You got Jose. He's playing an arcade game. And it's costing him money. So it's costing him money, but he's also gaining money. So I'm kind of going back and forth. He pays money to play, but then he's also winning money. Money's coming out of the machine, but he's also putting money into the machine. So we got to keep that in mind. I'm going to read the problem again. Jose was playing an arcade game that cost $2 or cost 2 tokens per game. In 20 games, Jose won 3 times, gaining 10 tokens, 12 tokens, and 8 tokens. What is the change in the amount of tokens Jose has? So I'm going to put down here games, and I'm also going to put tokens. So he played 20 games, and each game cost 2 tokens. So 2 times 20 equals 40. And I know that that needs to be a negative 40 because he was paying that to play. In one game, he won 10 tokens. That's a positive 10. In another game, one game, he won 12 tokens. And in one game, he won 8 tokens. So I put a table, and I've kind of been able to see now. I've got negative 40 tokens, 10 tokens, that's positive, 12 tokens, positive, and positive 8 tokens. Now I'm going to underline the question and make sure I understand what's being asked. I'm going to read through the problem one more time. Jose was playing an arcade game that cost 2 tokens per game. In 20 games, Jose won 3 times, gaining 10 tokens, 12 tokens, and 8 tokens. What is the change in the amount of tokens Jose has? So I want to know what is the change in the amount of tokens Jose has. So the major thing I'm looking for is the change. Whether that be positive or negative, that's what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to solve and check. So to solve this, I'm going to take negative 40 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8, and I'm going to see what the change is. So in addition, you can add in any order. I'm going to add these 3 numbers because they're all positive. 10 plus 12, 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 22 plus 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 2 plus 1 is 3, so that's 30. So now I have negative 40 plus 30. So when I'm adding different signs, I can subtract them. The absolute value of negative 40 is 40, and the absolute value of 30 is 30. 40 minus 30 is 10, and I know that there are more negatives than positives, so the overall change was negative 10. And I just wanted to find the change in the amount of tokens Jose has. So I know if I added up 10 plus 12 plus 8 correctly, which I believe I did, which is 30, and then if I subtracted 30 from 40, which is 10, I know that's negative 10 because there were more negatives than positives. So my answer is negative 10.